I stick my hand.
43,000 before options. Yeah, that is insane.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
ASMR. Look at that. All right, what is up, guys? It's JaretCampisi with Santa's Little Helper, Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a really exciting video. We're unboxing a brand new 2026 rare BMW motorcycle. Is it Christina's new bike?
I don't know. Stick around and find out.
Let's go. All right, so the unboxing process has begun, but we wanted to take a peek in there because we couldn't wait. If she can get it open. No? Okay, she's going to this one. We wanted to see, it says that this is the M package, and I think the M package can come with carbon wheels, but it looks like those are just maybe the forged lightweight aluminum wheels.
They're
So
not carbon.
there's your first little, yeah, unfortunately they're not carbon, but that can be fixed. You can always buy a set. All right, the top is pulled off. There's our first look at this model.
I love the white. I really do. And the symmetrical front, since they changed that.
Yeah,
it's just
the white Motorsports edition is definitely one of my favorites.
I'm not a fan of seeing
The winglets?
The wings.
Yeah.
It's hard for me to like.
We'll
those.
talk about all the differences for the 26 models. There are some pretty interesting things. Those winglets do serve a purpose. They provide more downforce, and people say you'll never notice that downforce on the street. They actually provide 13 pounds of downforce at 90 miles an hour. So it is downforce that you would notice even at, I would say, normal riding speeds.
I will say
But we never break the speed limit, do we?
That I had, I do miss.
Your M1000.
BMW,
The
yeah.
M1000 you had?
Yeah.
They actually have an M here that we're going to take a look at later when we put this next to it.
Okay.
So-
I still miss mine.
Yeah, yours was, she misses riding it through the grass
Off-road?
in our yard, yeah.
There you go. There's the bike.
That's actually pretty cool. Where do you want to put it?
It's nicely reinforced.
Like kind of towards me,
All right, let's take a look at this. Let's see what we think. All right, I am liking the color of the calipers. The blue is super striking. However, these wings are quite ridiculous. It reminds me of, if you've seen Aliens vs. Predator, it reminds me of Predator when they have their mouths completely open. That's kind of what I'm getting from this. It's not bad, but
I love the white, dude.
BMW, they know what they're doing.
See the new gills? Look at those.
They didn't
For
have
heat
that before.
extraction?
Did they not
Yeah,
have that?
so this-
I love gills on bikes.
I think
it's like
the
a shark.
25 model is when this all changed. So the 26 physically looks very similar, but there are some differences, and I'll talk about that later.
It is
once we get it
missing
all
a
put together.
fairing.
So
Belly
yeah,
pan?
the fairings
say,
come
okay.
sitting on top of the bike. He just pulled those off, so you got to put the lower belly pan on, and then they have like rear seats, and the rear pegs are already on here, and the mirrors are already on
And
here.
the shock is red, which is nice.
Which
Little
is
pop of
nice.
Color.
Yeah, and they got a titanium Krapovich silencer on here, which is also
Okay.
very nice. Yeah.
Screen is nice and big.
Yeah, just like you like it.
Okay, yep.
All right, Tina Wieners is gonna start peeling some stuff off.
Doing the easy stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this
Oh,
is my favorite part.
ASMR. Look at that.
Oh, how beautiful that is.
Only one time you get to do that.
And then there's this.
Pretty cool.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
That's all you get.
Dude, the white is so clean. We've had 3 white cars. The Rogue, the Corvette, and my R8
R8.
were all white. And then of course we wrapped the R8 and the Corvette, but
Black.
yeah. Yeah, so there's their first little look. That's how it sits in the crate. It's funny to see how the different manufacturers do the uncrating or the crating process, the shipping process. These, they do wood, and they're actually a little bit thicker, and I feel like they're a little bit longer than the Ducati crates that they do in metal. She's ready.
Elf in a box.
Dude, this would be amazing. Like when you were a kid and you used to like make little
Build
forts,
forts. Yeah.
out of your Christmas present box.
I would do that right now.
Boxes. Yeah, serve some ice cream in that bitch. Let's go. All right, so while they're getting the bike put together, look but don't touch. I wanted to show you guys just a reminder that I do have some bikes here. My Lamborghini bikes are here and they're for sale. I actually have some people that are interested, but I want to show them on the channel as much as possible before they might be gone. And maybe we can even start it up. You want to start it up real quick, teens?
Oh, start up again.
Everybody loves hearing it. Yeah, why not?
Okay, don't mind if I do. I love the sound of this bike.
Uh-huh. Yeah. That thing is ridiculous, dude. It gets a lot of attention. And then, of course, my Lamborghini Street Fighter is also here and it's also for sale. So, yeah, if you're interested, hit up Warhorse of Camp Hill. Let them know I sent you. Actually, I think we're going to be doing some special unboxings coming up where the owners are going to be there when we unbox the bikes. So there's some really fun stuff on the horizon. And don't forget about my giveaway as well. We're building a full carbon Ducati Panigale, one of the first in the world, definitely in the USA. And if you want to help support this project, be entered to win this bike, patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It's always the first link in the description below. All right, let's go check out the new BMW. All right, we got the bike all done and PDI'd and pushed out on the floor. They got a nice bow on it. So this is a 2026 BMW M1000RR with the M package. The M package comes with a bunch of different things. A lithium-ion battery. It comes with the blue M calipers along with the integrated brake cooling ducts in the front mud hugger. It does get the Krapovich titanium slip-on muffler. I believe it does have the forged lightweight aluminum wheels. I think for an upcharge you can actually do carbon fiber wheels on these, which would have been awesome. I was hoping that this one would have that, but it doesn't. And then of course you get the M Sports color, which is the white with the blue and red, different shades, and it actually looks just really, really good. They did this change in 25 when they changed the front end of this bike, and I wasn't crazy about it, but it has grown on me over time. And like I said, if it functions and it's not just for looks, then I think it's worth it. Like I said, it provides more downforce at lower speeds, and then I think up to like 50 pounds at higher speed, which is like half of Christina sitting on the front end, which is pretty hilarious. It is tall, yeah. It also comes with the M Sport seat. So that's pretty comfy. No, it's not comfortable at all. It's like sitting on a board. And then it has the gills that helps extract heat, and it works with the flow. And it's kind of like a throwback to the original S1000RRs that had the big gills on the side, which I absolutely love, and then asymmetric headlights. And then a couple of cool things that you might not know about this particular 26 model is they changed the throttle. So it's something they call like the quick throttle. So it's 15% less travel to get 100% throttle, if that makes sense.
So you don't have to
twist it as far. Exactly. Back. Yeah, which is pretty cool. They did do some different things with the software on the electronics front as well. So you still have that big, beautiful dash. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. It needs filled up with fuel. See if I can get out of there. So they have a couple of different dash layouts that you can show now, and then they have more race pro modes as well, where you can go in and play with things and change different things. It still has that lean IMU sensor. It's got slide control, traction control, ABS, wheelie control. I mean, it has hill hold. It'll literally, when you're on a hill, it'll automatically sense that you're on a hill, so you don't have to like sit there and have your foot on the brake. When you pull away from the hill, it makes it a lot easier. Teens, you want to show the turn signals as well? So they're built into the mirrors. The headlights look absolutely menacing, badass, and I love how they did that with the front too. They did that like homage to the original asymmetric front headlights. So you have the S1000RR sticker on this side, and it's not on the other. And we'll come around to the side here so you can see this right here. And teens, you look pretty damn good on this bike right here. So is this your bike, or do you want to tell them what's going on? She was thinking about getting a new bike, but she's not gonna do it just yet. So it is for sale down here at Warhorse of Camp Hill. If you're interested, come on down, tell them we sent you, and they will make you a special deal. Yeah, Christina's gonna come with it. And it is sitting right next to their M1000RR, which is also a 2026 model. This one is 40,000, I believe. What does it say? 43,000 before options. Yeah, that is insane. That's the intake on this thing. Look at that. That is wild. And look at the wings on this beauty too.
I know, it's insane.
The carbon fiber is absolutely
gorgeous.
Stunning.
I love the flats.
I do too. Yeah, the matte. It's going to be similar to what we're doing with our carbon Panigale, and it looks absolutely insane. There you can see the carbon wheels. They would be the same ones that you would get on the M Sport if you got the carbon package.
The M head display is
Yeah, look at
different,
that.
and it pops up.
Shows up with the M. But I believe all the rest of the electronics are the same. So, yeah, and it has fixed suspension instead of the electronic suspension that you get on this one. But I would love to know which one you guys prefer in the comment section below. Would you rather have the M1000RR or do you like the S1000RR with the M package? Which one would you take, teens, looks-wise?
Looks-wise, I love black. I'm a black girl.
Yeah, I do like the black.
I'm not a fan of the wings, but this reminds me of the one that you took of mine.
Yes,
Did your own
yeah,
scheme on it?
definitely, yeah. So yeah, I think both of us would take the black. It's just a little bit more unique. The fairings are a little bit wider, and of course it has all the bits and bobs.
Is this the same as the white?
Yeah,
See, I would take
same
this
thing.
over the white.
Oh, you like the gray over the white? Really?
Something about it, it's different.
Yeah, they have
It's
a
not
beautiful
true
lineup
gray,
right here.
It's almost like a blue gray.
I prefer the white over the gray.
Oh, really? I'd
Yeah,
take that.
I would take this first, and then I would do the white,
No, I
and
would
then
do
the gray.
this, then that, then the white.
Okay, well there you go. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And of course, if you guys need anything from Warhorse, mention my name. They'll take care of you down here. There you go, some of the Warhorse staff. And that's it. Don't forget about the build series giveaway, patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It's always the first link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big old juicy thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all in the next one.
Peace.